Hello, good morning. My name is Cesar Morales. I'm sales manager for Cojali. We're here in Automechanika to introduce to our customers Jaltest products and solutions. Today we wanted to talk to you about the solution that we have developed together with our colleagues of Knorr-Bremse and their network. I want to show you which is the problem that the mechanics face on. So by using our diagnosis tools and connected to a Knorr-Bremse system, remember that we have now OEM Knorr-Bremse systems. The mechanic can detect the error codes in the system. If if we see or we find our internal error in the ECU, then we have also developed a solution to fix any electronic part together with the network of Knorr-Bremse, which I will show you here. Let me introduce to you my colleague Thomas.
Hello, let's go and take a look. So together with Cojali and the Jaltest solution, we have developed a pan-European network to repair the ECUs with the benefit that it's up to 20% cost savings. And we are currently having 4 repairs locations in Spain, Italy, France and Czech Republic in Liberec. And we can offer you a repair of up to 2,500 ECUs.